we're here at Lighthouse Cafe in Worli, and today they're launching the new summer menu with a twist with Zeba Avana chocolates.
Hi.
And here we have Karan,
Hi. Hi guys.
Anwar, Nikhil, Chef Darshan from Lighthouse.
Hi guys.
So tell us something about Lighthouse Cafe. If you have to promote it, what is Lighthouse Cafe all about?
So Lighthouse Cafe is an experience, the way we like to and always love to put it. It's a combination of flavors, a combination of cocktails, and we always keep innovating with festivals. And yes, so we've all come here today for celebrating a new festival, a festival of joy, a festival with chocolates, a festival with Zeba. And so yeah, we've created a fabulous menu, if you would want to have a look at that. So we have mini baby Danish pancakes, we have a chocolate bun, which is again topped with various flavors, and inside the core is filled with again various flavors of chocolate. We have a chocolate pizza. Well, this sums up on a yummy 3-course dessert meal. We have some fabulous fantasy chocolates there on display. Zeba has done a fabulous job with feeding us with best of her recipes here. And we have cocktails. So we've added a punch, something new to Bombay. We've added a section of Pimm's infused cocktails. Fresh fruit, vibrant.
This is the all-new Summer Fest menu.
It is the entirely the summer-focused fest menu.
You have the menu, maybe we can just show them that. Take them through the menu. I think the chef should probably take us through the menu.
See, the summer festival, basically our aim was to have something for the summer. Something if summer comes inside and has something, there's something cool to drink. That's why we got frappes in our menu. We got the freak shakes, the devil shakes which are there. Then we also have cocktails which are added, and which are Pimm's is a liquor which is very cool when you have it. And then there is wines, cocktails made up of wines, which is there. For the dessert part, we thought something to put something across which would incorporate not only Zeba's chocolate but also give something which is accompanying those frappes, those drinks. So for that we have added Dutch pancakes, which is a bit salty, savory and sweet. So it's got her chocolates topped with it, and then there is this saltiness of the pancakes, which tastes amazing. Then there are these buns which are basically buns which are coated with a coffee crust on top of them, and then they're soft inside and there's loads of butter inside there. So the butter oozes out. We have also put in chocolate, white chocolate, Nutella. We've got dark chocolate from Zeba, which is amazing, and we just put that inside. And it oozes out. The buns oozes out with those. And for the dessert, I also have a pizza, which is chocolate pizza, which has Nutella, which has chocolate, dark chocolate, and white chocolate. So it's loaded with chocolate, basically.
What is the idea behind having the 3-course dessert meal for the summer menu? Thought behind when you decided?
So basically, what we wanted was to do a 3-course thing in which the starter was a bun. The main course was my pancakes, and the dessert pizza was the dessert for it. And the idea was basically to incorporate chocolate in it, and also to have a filling menu also.
So how did this collaboration happen with Lighthouse Cafe?
See, so basically for me, my life is chocolate, and if I'm associated with anyone, if I make friends, and I have great friends with the Lighthouse promoters, the chefs, so I just said, summer, chocolate, something new. So that's what we've done. Actually, it's quite sensuous. We've got a sea salt, talking Chef Darshan said savory, so we've got a sea salt almond for you. We have a skinny, sexy, no milk, gluten-free, sugar-free, 100% dark, sweetened with the most incredible taste. We've got something for everyone. You have to come.
Which is your favorite dish from the new summer menu? If you had to pick one, you can take us through and pick one.
So come, let me take you. So you know what I really want to tell you is I first dived into this one and I said nothing can match that. And suddenly I dived into this one and I said, okay, so now we're stuck. Is it going to be that or is it going to be this? And Then we created the white chocolate paste, and it's smashing. And we have the Nutella. And last but not the least is this excellent skinny crust. So as you can see, it's so skinny, and it's just layered with chocolate. And it's actually, you know, a tie. It's a tie between the four. So I just love chocolate, and it's unfair. It's unfair to choose.
Any special dishes, any discounts for kids since it's more chocolates, or anything that you would recommend? Anything that you guys are coming up
Lighthouse
with?
is very generous with kids.
So we're always generous. Yes, there's nothing that specifically is on offer there, but kids always love chocolate, and we're always there for the freebies. So that's something we build relations with. So come on in, and we're always there for you.
So, see, chocolates are consumed in many ways. You know, yeah. So, what according to you makes chocolate consumption most enjoyable?
So you know, there is chocolate for every moment. So if you're really feeling low on energy, you can have a fabulous energy bar. If you're feeling you're stepping out on the red carpet, blue carpet, green carpet, I don't care, you're stepping out. So you know, you have a skinny, sexy, low-cal chocolate which satisfies you completely. And you know, at the end of the day, you want to indulge yourself, because everything, life is what you make of it. So you can have a creamy, lovely sea salt toffee. So I don't think it's fair to choose a chocolate. I think every chocolate is
Every occasion you can
every
enjoy.
occasion, every chocolate, every minute. Don't miss it.
Is chocolate really sinful as it's popularly called?
You know, sin to me is, I don't know if I love that word. I'd rather use the word indulgent. I'd rather use the word absolutely satisfying. I'd rather use the word joyful. It brings me joy. So I would say that chocolate is every positive word in the world.
Was it the girl's love for chocolate that made you a renowned chocolatier?
I think it's
How
the
did you
guy's
start
love
out?
for chocolate that made me a renowned chocolatier.
So, if you were to make some theme-based chocolate for a Bollywood star, who would that be, and what should be the theme?
I mean, that's not seriously nice, but I would do it for my friend Sonakshi Sinha. And
And what the theme?
she to me is my chira. So I would probably make her something, I don't know, blueberry with white chocolate with absolutely crispy rice.
The benefits of chocolate?
Innumerable. Absolutely. Where do I begin? I mean, I could sing that song forever. But it's, you have to be smart. There are types of chocolate. So if you're going to choose a fake chocolate, then you won't really derive the benefits. But if you make sure you choose a really good cocoa butter chocolate, it's a win-win. Except please don't eat 300-gram bars. Just eat maybe 20 grams, 25 grams, a quarter bar. That's sufficient. And eat it every day.
What is the future expansion plan? Are you planning to again experiment more with the menu, you know, every season?
So we are always experimenting. So we don't believe in offers. We don't believe in playing with price. We always believe in giving more to the city, coming up with something new, something nobody's ever seen, nobody's ever tasted, nobody's ever experienced. So that's how our festivals keep coming up, and that's what you keep seeing more and more. To add to it, maybe the Chicago style pizza that we do is something Bombay has never seen before, and people still don't get enough of it. There's more to come, and keep posted.
Okay, I read about you guys are architects and you have designed the space. So if you can just take us through what is the theme, what's the concept behind it?
So Nikhil, my partner, is the brainchild behind this. So he's an architect.
It was all about the light bulb, the idea that comes up, and everything revolves around. So if you see everything here, we've got a series of light bulbs. Which really, so you come here, you feel like home. You don't feel like you're going outside. Everything is bright. Everything is happy. Everything is lovely. We've actually made all these lights here. We've used water pipes, a whole lot of bulbs. And if you come and see our bar, it completely. So everything around here we've made in-house. Our whole bar is made out here. It's made with water pipes and lighting. You see all these bulbs, we made it here. We try to give it an industrial kind of a grunge look. You know, so when people come in, like, wow, that is a bar I want to sit at. This is some place we want to go. So that was the whole idea of, if you see all
Inspired
the,
from somewhere, why Lighthouse?
it was all about our travels, three of us, all about our travels and what we got back from our travels. That was very important. And it was, everything is unique. Nothing is picked up from somewhere, from a book, anything. Everything is made here. So it's all about mixing and matching pulleys and chains and bottles and bulbs. Binds the whole place together. Yeah.
Hi. So, and now what? Any future plans? Expansion? You guys are opening any other branches anywhere?
Yeah, we have been picking up locations in Bandra and BKC in town. We want Lighthouse to actually come down into town because it's an experience which townie people love. So, yeah,
Why not the suburbs?
Suburbs, yes, we are.
We're snobby townies, if I were to joke on that. But no, we're looking at expanding our footprint. So we're looking at other cities as well as we're looking at other geographies in Bombay. So that's about being posted. When it comes up is when you know.
Okay, one message that you want. I just wanted to give out. One message for people who want to come here. How would you tempt them to come? What is your?
What I would like to say is this place is amazing. The food is amazing. What we've done for you today for the whole month is absolutely extraordinary. Everything from the beverages to the people to our chocolate infusions. It's different. It's yummy. You love it. Come.
So thank you guys for being here and being on Midday, and all the best for your future.
Thank you for the pleasure.
Thank you.